Ua ho'olana ia ko ka kouwa'a kaulana o Hawaiʻi nei o Hōkūleʻa ho'i ma ke kahi huaka'i nui a koʻikoʻi hou aku. O ia ho'i, ka huaka'i ana a puni ka honua me Hikianalia. O iai he wa'a e kūhoʻailona ana i ka ho'ola mo o meheu Hawaiʻi no ka kou ma Hawaiʻi nei. Ke lana nei ka mana'o e lilo ke ia huaka'i hele ana, he huaka'i e ka ana aku ai i ka mana'o nui o mālama honua, me na kaiaulu like ole a oko'a a la kou e kipa aku ai.
It is about envisioning that world that we need to have and having the responsibility and the courage to go there. In the essence, that's what this voyage is about.
No ke ia mea wa'a I holo ma ka huaka'i nui mua loa o Hōkūleʻa I ka makahiki 19 kana hiku kumaono o Billy Richards no ho'i, he ho'ike ko ke ia huaka'i ana a puni ka honua I ke ano kupa'a o Hōkūleʻa, a me kona mau mea wa'a, ma ka pa'u I kaika ana e ho'okoi ka mea I no'ono'o mua ole ia.
My personal dream was just to relive the migratory voyages of our ancestors. And going to Tahiti was just a first step. But the idea of going around the world, I thought about going around the world, but we never thought about it on Hōkūleʻa.
There was a meeting here, April 1st, 2008. The 10 voyaging organization that Billy Richards is chairman of, Ohana got together, put the question on the table as a concept. Should we go around the earth? Is it time?
So when the idea came up, it's like Naino was saying earlier, we were all in.
Ma ka holo ana o ka manawa, ua ike ia no ke ano e mākaukau kūpono ai o Hōkūleʻa a mena mea wa'a ke kahi. A ka ma mua ko holo ana a puni ka honua, ua kūpono no ke kipa mua ana aku I ko Hawaiʻi, ka home aloha o Hōkūleʻa.
We are going because our kuleana and duty is to respect the beauty of Hawaii and its beautiful communities. If you're going to do that, go see them personally. Take the canoes. Be there.
O hilo ma Hawaiʻi mo kupuni kahi a la koe kipa mua aku ai, a ma ke kahi ano, he huaka'i hou ke ia o ko ka kou mau kupuna.
When we were the younger ones, he said we were the forelegs of the mo, scratching the roll forward and things. And that the back legs were the makua, who pushed the youth forward. And I think what's happened now is we've evolved. Yeah? We've from the four legs, we're now the back legs pushing the next generation of voyagers forward.
There's lots of levels involved. One is definitely that effort to continue voyaging. So those of us that have had the great fortune to learn from awesome mentors are being expected to kind of step up as leadership when this voyage is at the end of this voyage.
I think what's good about what we're doing now is that if we can train enough people and if we share the knowledge that we've gained over these last 38 years, then hopefully it'll continue for another 38, 40, 50 years.
The voyage is not about you. It's about children who are not even born. It's about the story that shifts education. It changes the way we see the world because the world is changing so fast.
Ana mākou no e ko kua ma ke ia ha'i mo'olelo ana, ma o ko mākou mau kanaka pa'iwikio a ahai lono pono iho no ma luna o Hōkūleʻa me Hikianalia. E nana mai ia o TV nei, a e hola pū me Hōkūleʻa ma ke ia huaka'i ana puni ka honua. O wau no ke ia o Iwalaini kuali'i ka ho'ohanohano, aloha.